Cobra Therapy. Yes, indeed. Today, the leader, Maxium Motorsports. They've been doing it since '92. What we have here is the complete road and track box kit for the 2014 GT500. It comes with springs. This is a badass K-member. Then you have this sway bar, heavy duty. You have these relocation brackets, so strong. You got all of these different parts here that comes with the kit. These are adjustable. Comes with these shocks, single adjustable Coney shocks. Got the panhard bar. As you can see, this is adjustable as well. So we're trying to get the 14 GT500 ready, hopefully this year, to come out. Go to Road America. That's in Wisconsin. They have a nice track there. I think they have a 1.2 or 3 mile stretch. Cars have gotten up to over 160 miles an hour on that stretch. So with that built engine, we should easily, hopefully, be doing 170 plus. But yeah, this K-member is awesome. I mean, look at those welds. Look at these welds. They did a damn good job on this. So this is a short video. Just let you know about Maxium Motorsports. Got the kit in. And hopefully this summer we'll be getting it going. Cobra Therapy.